In the annals of history, few stories are as profound and stirring as that of Anguilla, a small island that stands resolute in the azure embrace of the Caribbean Sea. This isle, endowed with shimmering beaches and tranquil breezes, holds a narrative marked by resilience and determination, guiding its people through the tide of colonialism to its present autonomy. The earliest whispers of Anguilla's past tell of Arawakan-speaking indigenous peoples, the Taino, who first settled the island. These gentle inhabitants flourished amidst the island's bounty, living harmoniously with nature. However, their existence would soon mingle with the arrival of intrepid Europeans. It was in the year of our Lord 1650 that English settlers decided upon Anguilla as a new bastion for their colonial aspirations. The island became entangled within the vast web of the British Empire, its fate intertwined with distant London. Yet, the settlers, primarily subsistence farmers, cultivated not only crops upon Anguilla's soil, but also a spirit of independence that would come to define the island. As centuries turned, the winds of change blew in the form of pivotal figures like James Ronald Webster. Born in 1926, Webster emerged as a luminary who would shepherd Anguilla towards self-determination. Revered as the father of the nation, his leadership and vision instilled hope and anchored the island's pursuits for autonomy. The year 1967 brought to the fore a moment of significance. Fueled by dissatisfaction with shared governance under St. Kitts, the Anguillians took destiny into their own hands. The Anguilla Revolution ascended as they asserted their demand for independence, birthing an enduring emblem of assertiveness. This revolution prompted the British intervention in March 1969 as forces were dispatched to maintain order. However, the tenacity of Anguilla's people shone brighter than ever, navigating the tumult with steadfast resolve.